What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a sketch illustration of Syndrome from The Incredibles. Now we want to begin today's lesson by sketching a line coming down the center of our page to help with the symmetry of our drawing. Let's start at the very top right in the middle. It's going to sketch a line coming all the way down. Now we don't want to go too dark because we're just using this as a guide. Now with this line in place, we're going to start blocking out the basic shape of the head. Let's start right in the middle, draw a straight angled line going up and out towards the left. Go back to the center, go up and out towards the right, towards the same height. Now from the top of these lines, we're going to angle the head, coming down at an angle. Just come out toward the left side. Let's go up to the right and do the same thing. Coming down and then out. Now you want to create a large gap in the forehead between this point and the eyes. So right about here, sketch a line coming all the way across from left to right. Let's leave a small gap in the center. Go to the left side, draw the top edge of the mask. We're going to bend this up and then out towards the side. Let's take this distance over towards the right and do the same thing, going up and then out. From the outside of the mask, let's step in and curve this around and then in towards that bottom line. And then we'll connect these 2 points with a curve, coming down the middle and then back up. Let's add a small bump in the center for the nose. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath this trim. So starting on the left side at the very top, curve this around and then back down towards that line. And then from the bottom, we're going to step up, curve the eye, coming down, and then in. Let's draw 2 circles for the iris, just tucked in underneath the brow. Starting from the top, come around, and then up on the inside, almost like a half circle. Let's go to the side of the nose, draw 2 short angle lines going down and out. Pull this back down and in towards the tip of the nose. Let's go out to the side, draw 2 straight lines going all the way out toward the left and right. Now we want to block in the shape for the mouth. Let's start all the way over on the left, curve this down, bend this in just underneath the nose, and back up towards the right. Let's draw the bottom edge of the mouth, starting back on the left, come down, and then up. Now there's also a large gap between the edge of the mouth and the chin, so we're going to come all the way down towards the bottom and sketch a line going all the way across from left to right. Let's round out the bottom corners of the jaw, starting on the left, bend this down, and then back in. Now let's move back up and draw the outside edge of the hair. We're going to start from this line, curve this out, and then bend that in. Let's go to the right and do the same thing, coming up towards the same height. Now from here, we're just going to bend this in and then up towards the top. And we'll curve this in and then down towards these 2 top points. Now I'm going to draw the centerpiece of the hair. Starting back on this point, go out, up, and then in towards the middle, towards the very top. Then from the top, we're going to come down and out towards the right, round this out, and come down toward the top point. Now I'm going to come back down and tuck the ears in underneath the hair. Let's start over on the left, come down, and then bend that in towards the side. Now from the bottom of the ear, let's curve the shoulders, going out and then down. Now that we have the basic shape of the head, let's go back and erase these guidelines. Now that we have our clean rough sketch in place, let's go back and add some more detail and refine the shapes. Let's start with the top edge of the mask. So we're going to step up and add a curve going up and then down. just going to work our way up towards the outside of the mask. Let's round up the tops. And smooth out the bottom. Let's add the pupils in the center of the iris. I'm just going to add some more shape to the nose. And we'll separate out the teeth. And we'll just add a gum line along the top. And go up to the top and add some texture across the edge of the hair. Just pulling this up and out with a short line. And then just working our way along the side of the head. And we're just going to add a little bit more detail to the tips of the hair. Also adding some overlaps along the top. Also continue to add some more texture along the inside. And once we're happy with our rough sketch, we're going to go back in and refine our drawing. Also adding some more contrast. So we're just committing to these lines. So we'll trace out the contours first and add the shading after. Add a light shade to the inside of the iris. And then we'll darken up the inside of the mask, going around the eyes. I want to add a little bit of a shadow coming down from the tip of the nose, and across, just leaning it over towards the right side, and we'll just lightly shade that in. Go back and just enhance the teeth, adding a little bit more shape. just darken up the corners and then fade that in. Add a little bit of shadow to the cheeks, going up and then out. Adding some freckles across. And we'll just refine the edge of the head. And now I'm going to go back to the side edge of my pencil and start adding some texture to the hair. Starting along this line, just pulling the hair going up and then out, just working with the flow of the hair, and then go over towards the right, and then along the side of the head. Go across the right side. And just tucking the ears in underneath. And then we'll shade in the ears. I'm just going to continue to layer the textures inside the hair. Now let's move to the tip of pencil and add some fine detail. Just clean up that shadow along the side of the head and then fade that out. And then we're going to go down and just darken up the top of the body, going around the head, and then just roughly fading that down. Now as you get near the end of our drawing, we'll tighten up our shadows and add a little bit more contrast, and always be sure to sign our artwork. And that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Syndrome from The Incredibles. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe and share this with all your friends. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.